Gunny, it's a trap! I grabbed the nearest man to me, a fresh-faced private named Anders, and I shoved him towards the cave entrance, kicking into high gear behind him. There was a flash and a deafening roar behind me. I felt myself lifted off my feet, and suddenly, the world dissolved into darkness. Hi, I am Marine Gunnery Sergeant Kyle Cooper, and I'm about to share a bizarre story with you about how a disastrous mission in the mountains of Afghanistan led to an amazing discovery that would literally save the life of Sharon Monroe, 43-year-old out-of-shape accountant and mother of two, who nearly dropped dead from a heart attack. What I found in the unforgiving desert would empower Sharon to mysteriously lose over 40 pounds, save her life, and keep her family from living the nightmare of losing their wife and mother. Yes, you heard that right, over 41 pounds to be exact. This was Sharon before, and this is Sharon now. Sharon achieved this miracle without pills, surgeries, or tediously gut-wrenching workouts of any kind. I'll warn you though, you might be shocked and even a little out of sorts when you learn about the method Sharon and I used to eradicate all of that dangerous and unsightly body fat. Not to mention giving Sharon a more youthful look with the energy to go with it. Sharon had been battling with her weight for years and was getting nothing but frustrated. She had tried every weight loss fad and followed the advice of so-called fitness gurus who preached tons of cardio and crazy diets to shift the weight. The real breakthrough came out of nowhere, backed up by independent clinical research from some of the world's top universities, and I had to go overseas to find out about it. It would change Sharon's life for the better. This weight loss method is so astonishingly effective, I have retired from the Marine Corps so that I can dedicate my life to showing this truly miraculous and unusual secret to everyone who wants to shed pounds and improve their health. Over the next 3 minutes, you are going to be exposed to the most malicious lies about nutrition. Lies that throw up an impenetrable roadblock that stop you from losing weight. And what's even more disturbing, cancer, diabetes, heart attack, and other conditions could be taking hold inside you right now, and you wouldn't even realize it. Lies like salty foods are a hindrance to losing weight. I know, it sounds crazy, but the fact is that a lack of salt lowers the pH level in your stomach so that you can't burn fat. The lack of salt leads to a whole bunch of digestive problems, making you bloated, backed up, and so gassy your family won't let you in the house. There are also certain vegetables found in the produce section at the grocery store or commonly served in meals at restaurants that most people think are healthy. But in fact, these vegetables create a serious thyroid imbalance that builds fat in your gut, no matter how much sweaty working out you do. Here's a biggie for you. There have been a remarkable number of studies that show that excessive cardio, daily marathon running, endless cycling, etc., speeds up the aging process, is very ineffective at burning fat, and actually causes serious heart conditions like arterial plaque buildup, oxidative stress, and even serious scar tissue on the heart that leads to deadly heart attacks. I know, goes against everything we've ever been taught, right? Now let's not talk about processed sugar. Sugars like corn syrup and maltodextrin that are found in alarming amounts in just about every can, bottle, pouch, or frozen thing in the grocery store. We all know too much sugar is bad, but does the government or the FDA keep it out of our food? Nope. Or what about the scientifically proven fact that fat-free, sugar-free, gluten-free, and low-carb diets make you fatter because of 2 body-fattening amino acids that are hiding in most of the foods you have been led to believe are healthy? It's a little scary to know that these 2 acids are injected into most foods that we would consider good for us. They both deliver deadly trans fats right into your bloodstream, destroying the body's metabolic system and bringing the production of thyroid hormones to a grinding halt, especially in women, directly resulting in increased fat storage specifically around your stomach and thighs. Oh, and that's not all. Research on the WebMD clearly shows that people who overdo it when they exercise usually have shorter lifespans or even put themselves at a higher risk of having a heart attack. The early symptoms of a heart attack are shortness of breath and even chest pains. Yet these exercise overachievers just think it's because they've had a good workout. Oh, and this might really tick you off. All of those so-called stars who show up on Nutrisystem success stories pages are scams, and I'll show you proof. See this fit body? This is not the result of eating expensive and pre-packaged Nutrisystem foods. In just a few seconds, I'll reveal the undisputed truth about how all these super fit celebrities really lose so much weight so quickly, right in this very presentation. Yet best of all, is that I'm going to show you exactly how Sharon Monroe lost more than 41 pounds and just dodged leaving her husband a widower. Awesome price of only $37 and change your life right now. Still a little hesitant? Not sure if the Fat Decimator System is right for you? Then let me put your mind at ease. I'm so confident in Sam's research and its proven results that I'm going to back up your small $37 investment today with a 100% total satisfaction, no questions asked, 60-day money-back guarantee. I know telling you to eat more foods that you love, enjoy more carbs, add more seasoning to your foods, and to cut back on your workouts probably sounds pretty damn crazy. And even though I have thousands of stories from people who struggled with blood sugar and high cholesterol levels who got indisputable proof from the lab that these levels had dropped back to normal, you may still need a little push in the right direction. This may be the most important decision of your life. And I believe so strongly that FDS is going to help you that I wouldn't be doing my part if I didn't make getting it into your hands as easy as I could today. So all I'm really asking is that you say maybe to the Fat Decimator System right now. Get your instant access to the guide, the rejuvenating life-changing smoothie recipes, the fastest weight loss week action plan, the fat-burning metabolism cycle reset tools, the list of dozens of minerals and herbs to reverse the acidification in your body, the 3-minute belly shrinker video series, what veggies and fruits you should stay away from, and discover the ones you should add to remove the fat for good. Find out when and what you should be eating to get you to the transformation you desire even faster. And discover what special foods you can eat to dramatically enhance your romantic life as soon as this evening. Take a full 2 months to try this out for yourself, and if, for any reason, you are not completely satisfied or you see the numbers on the scale going in the wrong direction and your health has not dramatically restored, just send an email to the address we'll give you on the number page stating that you want a refund, and I'll immediately send back what you've paid today with no questions asked. Yes, you've heard me right. I'll send your money back right away simply because you asked, and I won't bug you with any questions. That's how sure I am in the power of the Fat Decimator System. All I ask is that you actually follow the system and give it an honest try for 60 days. Think about it. I'm taking all the risk and you're getting all the benefits. And you know what? I'm perfectly fine with that. FDS is about giving you the power to totally reclaim your health and your life. And if you're not thrilled, then I don't want to take a single penny from you. This really should be the easiest choice you've ever had to make. A choice that gives you the little-known herbs and nutrients that will make you look and feel younger, smoothie recipes that will boost your vitality and double your quality of life, and don't forget the 3-minute belly shrinker videos packed full of simple 6-pack tweaks you can do before bed, and so very much more. Get started now by clicking the Add to Cart button below. You wouldn't believe the pressure I get from competitors and even friends every single day who say I should charge huge sums of money for the Fat Decimator System and get fabulously wealthy. Just imagine if my site was taken down tomorrow and I couldn't share all the powerful herbs, fat-melting minerals, and nutrients you've been desperately searching for, which means if you are ready to stop dieting, stop starving yourself, stop wasting your life at the gym, stop being a slave to your medication, then you must act now by clicking the Add to Cart button you see below this video screen. This video is about to end. There are only a few seconds left to make this 100% risk-free decision. At the end of the day, I can't decide for you. Whether you desire to reclaim decades of perfect health or not is a choice only you can make. You could just let the video end and decide not to check out the Fat Decimator System and see for yourself. That's certainly your prerogative, but if you make that decision, what's really going to change? Are you going to try another expensive and grueling gut-busting workout program or another useless crash diet that at best doesn't work and at worst damages your body? Are you going to keep burning yourself out, wasting money at the gym without the results you want, waking up feeling sluggish, dragging your butt every morning with aches and pains, and dealing with that pounding migraine you can't get rid of? How do you lose the weight you need to? How do you rejuvenate the damaged cells all over your body? How do you protect yourself from metabolic and other life-ending diseases? You can choose to do nothing and wait for the ticking health bomb to go off, just like the one that almost killed me in Afghanistan, just like the one that Sharon Monroe ignored that nearly left her husband Tyler a widower and her kids motherless, just like the one that was slowly killing Sharon's 10-year-old son and that nobody even knew about. These aren't really options at all, and you know it, which is why you need to click the Add to Cart button below and try FDS for yourself right now, 100% risk-free. Get the step-by-step guides, the food list, the smoothies, the herbs and minerals, the 3-minute belly shrinker series, everything. And see how fast and easy it is to melt away the disgusting fat that's been clinging to your body for years, to jumpstart your metabolism into a 24-hour fat-burning juggernaut, to maintain healthy cellular levels that can fight disease, eradicate toxins that are sticking to your arteries so you can look and feel decades younger. The choice is yours. Here's to a long, healthy, and happy life. I'm Kyle Cooper. Still here? That's okay. I know we've covered a lot of stuff in this presentation, and you still may have some questions about what you just saw. To help you out a bit, I'll go ahead and answer some of the most common questions people ask me about the Fat Decimator system. Question: why do I keep going back to my old out-of-shape self? Well, the answer: you work out for a few months and get in shape and fall back to the old habits because you weren't conditioned mentally, only physically, and maybe not even that. Physical fitness is only half the battle. All fitness is 80% mental. Gyms and personal trainers give folks a temporary band-aid, but never address the actual issue. The Fat Decimator system includes proven strategies for getting your mind in the right state to make your journey so much easier. Question: what results can I expect in the first week? Answer: every day, you will notice how simple my methods are and how the secret fat-burning super minerals and nutrients speed up the fat-burning process even while you rest at night. Everyone isn't the same, yet after the first week with FDS, most people experience one or more of the following: more energy, 5 pounds lighter, joint relief, self-motivation, happiness, and a positive change in their physiological states. Question: how can simple minerals, nutrient smoothies, and eating more carbs benefit me? Answer: well, like I mentioned during the presentation you just saw, a lot of foods most people believe are healthy can slow down your metabolism because they lack the nutrients and enzymes to destroy fat and toxins. Also, there are certain things we should eat, but many of us don't, and our bodies are suffering from a lack of important minerals and nutrients to aid in burning fat and improving overall health. Question: what happens after I click Add to Cart? Answer: once you have clicked the Add to Cart button that is right below this video, you're taken to the secure checkout page. Just enter your information, and then you're given instant access to the entire Fat Decimator system. You can view all the materials, the list, and the guides right on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. You can also download everything and print out as many copies as you would like. Question: how does the guarantee work again? Answer: no sweat, literally. Because this program saved Sharon Monroe's life, and I truly believe it can give you back decades of healthy living as well, I want there to be no barriers to entry, as they say. That means removing all risk, so it's a no-brainer for you. Once you have clicked that Add to Cart button below, you get a full 60 days to try the program out for yourself, and if you are not satisfied for any reason whatsoever, you simply send me an email and I refund your investment today with no questions asked. Question: how long will this program be available? Answer: I wish I had a solid answer to that one. Obviously, Sam Pack and I want to keep this presentation online as long as possible, and we want to help as many people as we can. In other words, if you are ready to change your life, you have to act right now. Question: okay, I'm ready to change my life for the better. What is the next step? Answer: simply click the Add to Cart button below. Get the entire program and be protected by a 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee. Click the button below right now.